Welcome, students. This is your biology class, and now we will discuss about the heredity and evolution, which is from the chapter 9. Heredity, heredity is a transmission of characters, or we can say the traits, from the parents to the offspring, or new progeny, or next generation. There is two terms we have to discuss about this: variations, differences in the characters among the individuals of a species, and the inherited traits are reliably inherited to next generation to provide a common basic body design. हेरिडिटी को हम कह सकते हैं कि वो कैरेक्टर्स जो ट्रांसमिट होते हैं पेरेंट्स से ऑफस्प्रिंग के लिए, दोज कैरेक्टर्स आर नोन एज हेरिडिटी. एंड द वेरिएशंस, जब कैरेक्टर्स में, ये स्पीशीज़ में डिफरेंसेस आ जाते हैं, दो इंडिविजुअल के बीच में कोई डिफरेंसेस आ जाते हैं, तो हम उसको वेरिएशंस कहते हैं. इनहेरिटेड ट्रेट्स, जो रिलायबली इनहेरिटेड कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं या ट्रेट्स जो हैं, वो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में चले जाते हैं, जो कि एक बॉडी, बेसिक बॉडी डिज़ाइन प्रोवाइड करते हैं नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, उनको हम इनहेरिटेड ट्रेट्स कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. Gregor Johann Mendel first studied inheritance of characters. He did his study on pea plant. He concluded characters were controlled by factors or genes which occur in pair. जब मैंडल ने अपने लॉज दिए थे, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए थे अभी, तब उन्होंने कहा था कि कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं पेरेंट्स से न्यू प्रोजेनी में जाने के लिए, जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनको उन्होंने उस टाइम फैक्टर्स कहा था. तो नाउ वी नोन एज द जीन्स. Okay, see this is table. You can see here in this table there is two kinds of parents. One is dominant parent, capital TT, we denote with the capital TT, and there is another parent which have the small plant, which is a small plant, and we denote it with the small TT. One parent is tall and the other parent is small. When we see the gametes will be capital T, and from the other parent, which is recessive parent, short plant, with this parent will give the small t. Gametes capital T denote the dominancy and small t denotes the recessive. We got the capital T and small t in F1 generation, which is heterozygous tall. When we self-pollinate this heterozygous tall or F1 generation, we got new ratios. You can see when we self-pollinate this capital T small t heterozygous tall with another parent that is also heterozygous tall, we got the gametes capital T small t, capital T small t. In F2 generation, we can use this checkerboard, or we can say the Punnett square. There is one parent and another parent is here. One is female parent and another is male parent. When we see in this checkerboard, there is capital T small t are the gametes. Another parent have capital T and small t. In this, when we cross it, one parent with the another parent, we got one homozygous tall, which denoted by capital T, and another offspring is capital T small t, which is heterozygous tall. Third offspring is heterozygous tall, which denoted by the capital T small t, and the last offspring we got homozygous dwarf, short plant, which is denoted by small t. We can see here there is two type kind of ratio, phenotypic ratio, that means physically appearance of the plant. We can see here the physically appearance of the plant will be three plants will be tall and the one plant will be dwarf. Mendel saw that this experiment shows the genotypic ratio was differ. Here are one homozygous stall while two heterozygous stall and one is homozygous dwarf. Then Mendel concluded by his experiment that some factors or genes which controlled by the characters are controlled by the factors or genes which occur in pair. Thank you so much.